time for the hood. The hinges, the assembly of the hinges, I left on the car when I did all the body work. So the hood should require minimal adjustment, which is good because it's not real easy. Leftover rivets in there. Trying really hard not to screw anything up here. Yeah, I don't know if I can get this. Oh, I'm too far forward, that's why. There we go. Yikes. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I don't want to screw anything up here. Let's see how am I gonna do this? Need these. Need a little more protection there. Let's go this way. That down there. Let's try that. Not heavy, just kind of bulky and a little on the awkward side. There we go. Maybe. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. Stay right there. Alright. Woo! That was sketchy. So the attach for these bolts here, there is a wave washer underneath here, and then another washer that goes over the shoulder of that bolt, and then I entered another washer there just to cinch everything up. So the wave washer sets the tension on these. So yeah, I got those in. And I did have, if you watched the video when I put this tank in, I had to kind of guesstimate if that strut was going to clear or not. So yeah, it clears. It was a good guesstimate, I guess. It's going to need a little bit of adjustment, just obviously because the body is not going to be in exactly the same spot. Height-wise, it looks good with the bumpers and all, except for up front here. It's just a little bit high, and if you look at the gaps, it's a little wider here than it is here, so it's going to have to come over there, which will obviously make the stripes line up. Same thing up there. So, but yeah, little tweaking, won't be bad. About there. That's what it looks like when it's down. Yeah, the strut clears fine, so I was a little concerned about that, but because you don't know till you put it in. Yeah, there's plenty of clearance there, you can see. Time to adjust a little. Put the paddles on. Yeah, that'll work. Gaps look good. May have to do one more adjustment after it settles for a while. This thing has been stored vertically, so we'll see what it does when it sits down for a while. Probably flatten out a little bit, I would think. So I may need to tweak it here and there. But yeah, for initial, looks pretty good. Gaps look good. No damage putting it in, although that was really sketchy. I probably should have waited till I had some help. But sometimes you just gotta move ahead.